Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm sitting in front of a 2026 Bennington 22 SSB. This is the swingback floor plan. This boat also has the luxury package on it, which I can't wait to show you on the inside how Bennington has elevated their game on our S-Series. Beautiful boat here. This has the smooth panel anthracite main color with a smooth panel metallic silver accent stripe. This boat does have the integrated LED dock lights, navigation lights, the woven vinyl flooring, has the SPS tri-tune package to give you that great ride on our local lakes, and that is integrated with a 200 horsepower Mercury V6 with power steering. You know, some of the features I love on the back of this boat is this extended swim platform. Gives you lots of room to maneuver around the boat, hang out, jump in and off. We got the lily pad boarding ladder, which makes your boarding entry into this boat effortless. Really a great feature. It is spring assisted, so it makes it easy to pull in and out of the water. This boat does come with a ski tow bar. It just wasn't here for pictures yet, but we are super excited to show you this boat, so we wanted to get the video to you before the ski tow bar got put on it. Follow me inside. Let me show you some of the features and show you that luxury package I was telling you about. Let's start up here in the front of the boat. All right, great. Thanks for joining me up here in the bow. This is Bennington's new luxury interior package. It gives you super comfortable, soft bolstering, 80% inlaid bolsters that are very comfortable. Lots of new accent pin stripes and welting that you can customize. You have this nice 20% cutout tray area to keep your phone and drinks out of the sun. You have this removable bow table that will easily store underneath the console. Wrap around bow and entry, so it gives you a very versatile seating arrangement. Coming here to the back of the boat, this boat is the swingback version, so you have a L-shaped traditional style bench, or you can lift up this backrest, and then now you have a rear-facing lounger seat with tons of room for you and your friends. Bennington didn't stop there. Check out this new console. This is an all fiberglass console with their new medallion gauges and Garmin GPS right there in the center. You have soft push button buttons for your navigation lights and dock lights and interior accent lights, a Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo, a cubby with a wireless charger built in down here out of the sun. Let me take a seat in here and show you how comfortable this boat is. Notice how they bring the throttle down right alongside of you. I got a reclining helm chair with flip down armrests and an adjustable steering wheel as well. Really can't wait to show you this boat in person. I hope you can come see it here at the dealership at MarineMax in Greenville.